8026. If registration numbers are to be applied to an aircraft with a letter height of 12 inches, what is the minimum space required for the registration mark N1683C? A. 52 inches. B. 48 inches. C. 57 inches. The correct answer is A. The minimum space required to accommodate the registration mark N1683C is determined to be 52 inches. This calculation is based on the following measurements. 1. The width of each character is calculated as 2/3 of its height. Therefore, the width of each character in the registration mark is 8 inches. 2. The width of the number 1 is determined to be 1/6 of its height. Consequently, the width of the number 1 in the registration mark is 2 inches. 3. The spacing between characters is established as 1/4 of the character height. Hence, the spacing between characters in the registration mark is 3 inches. By summing up these measurements, the total width of the registration mark can be calculated as follows. 8 inches, N, plus 2 inches, 1, plus 3 inches, spacing, plus 8 inches, 6, plus 3 inches, spacing, plus 8 inches, 8, plus 3 inches, spacing, plus 8 inches, 3, plus 3 inches, spacing, plus 8 inches, C, equals 52 inches. Therefore, the minimum space required to accommodate the registration mark N1683C is determined to be 52 inches based on the given measurements and calculations. 8027. If masking tape is applied to an aircraft, such as for trim spraying, and is left on for several days and/or exposed to heat, it is likely that the tape will A. Not seal out the finishing material if the delay or heating occurs before spraying. B. Be weakened in its ability to adhere to the surface. C. Cure to the finish and be very difficult to remove. The correct answer is C. When masking tape is applied to an aircraft for tasks like trim spraying, it is crucial to remove it promptly to avoid finishes complications. Leaving the tape on for an extended period, especially in heat, can cause the adhesive to cure and bond tightly to the surface. Consequently, removing the tape becomes difficult and risks damaging the aircraft's finish. To prevent this issue, timely removal is essential. If circumstances require the tape to remain for a longer duration, precautions should be taken to protect it from heat sources. By doing so, the risk of the tape curing to the surface and becoming challenging to remove can be minimized, ensuring the aircraft's surface remains intact. 8028. What is used to slow the drying time of some finishes and to prevent blush? A. Reducer. B. Retarder. C. Rejuvenator. The correct answer is B. To slow the drying time of some finishes and prevent blush, a retarder is used. A retarder is an additive that is mixed with the finish to extend the drying time, allowing for better application and preventing the formation of blush, which is a milky appearance on the surface of the finish. The retarder helps to control the drying process and improve the overall finish quality. 8029. Which type of coating typically includes phosphoric acid as one of its components at the time of application? A. Wash primer. B. Epoxy primer. C. Zinc chromate primer. The correct answer is A. A wash primer is a type of coating that often includes phosphoric acid as one of its components at the time of application. Wash primers are designed to provide good adhesion and corrosion resistance on metal surfaces. The phosphoric acid helps in promoting adhesion to the substrate by etching the surface and creating a suitable bonding surface for subsequent layers of paint or primer. 8030. Which properly applied finish top coat is the most durable and chemical resistant? A. Synthetic enamel. B. Acrylic lacquer. C. Polyurethane. The correct answer is C. The most durable and chemical-resistant finish top coat, when properly applied, is polyurethane. Polyurethane coatings provide excellent resistance to chemicals, abrasion, and UV exposure. They offer a high level of protection and durability, making them suitable for demanding environments and applications.